Welcome back everyone to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Middle-earth Shadow of Mordor game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and once you are taken into the store page, click on the search box and then type in Middle-earth Shadow of Mordor to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside the version or bundle that you would like to purchase. You can then click on View My Cart to continue towards your payment. Now you can use your Steam wallet balance or one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Then just enter the credentials of your chosen payment method, and once you have finalized your transaction, the game will be added to your library. You can then complete the installation with just a few clicks, and then you can start enjoying the Middle-earth Shadow of Mordor game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.